Hello and welcome to another Thrills and Food video. This is a really exciting one, isn't it, Casper?
Yeah.
You've got your pudsey ears on. And speaking of having things on, we have been sent a very exciting box, haven't we?
Yeah.
So, Pleasure Beach Resort and Pleasure Beach Shopping have sent us not one box here, they have actually sent us 2 boxes of stuff, which is just absolutely amazing. I mean, for us as a park like Pleasure Beach Resort that we've been going to for years and years, and we absolutely love the park, and we spend so much money in the Pleasure Beach Shopping on merchandise. To be sent some stuff is just absolutely incredible. It really is, and it means a lot to us. And it's all part of their Black Friday sale. So I think we've got a bit of a mission. I have already opened them. I'm going to have to confess to that. took them upstairs and so that Robin can open. Robin's currently working at the moment. That's why she's not here with the unboxing. We've got Casper. He's helping me out, aren't you, dude?
Yeah.
So Robin's already seen what's in there. So I wanted to show her first so that we can kind of share it between ourselves before putting them on this video. So I know it's not as much fun for you guys watching, seeing actually opening it as it is, but I can assure you there is some fantastic stuff in there. So yeah, let's go and check what's in these boxes then. So this first one that's here, right, so I'll put the box down just a little bit lower. And I know you don't want to see me saying how grateful I am for the stuff. You want to see what they've sent us. So straight away, what they've sent us, there's a couple of bears. How cute is that? So there's what bear each for Casper and Eden. Which one are you having, Casper?
I don't know.
Eden's not here. She's still at nursery, so you get to choose. So you're having the grey one or the white one?
I'm not sure. They're so cute.
They're both so cute. And these bears are retailing at $14.95 as put on the tag there. So that's a really nice little present to put in this gift bag too. Yeah, so thank you very much for the first gift that's on there. And the second one, what have we got in here? So there's another little gift bag there. And in this, I love these gift bags. These make it look really premium, high end, don't they? And it's just, I like how it's got the picture of the casino on there as well. And there's really nice gift bags. And in here, are you helping it?
Yeah.
Go on, dude. What have we got in here then? You show everyone.
So we've got an icon bum bag.
So there's an icon bum bag or fanny pack, depending where you're from. So yeah, I don't know what's happening with the camera there. It's decided to track over that way. Yes, it's an icon bum bag. And yeah, it's quite nice, that, isn't it? But that'll be something that could get used when we go to America, because they're quite popular over there, particularly in Florida. What else have we got in there, Casper?
A Derby Racer wooden cutout.
So it's a Derby Racer wooden cutout. So that is so cool, that, isn't it? So basically, it's all these little bits of wood that are on there, and you just stick them all together and you get a Derby Racer. So Pleasure Beach really know us because we love the Derby Racer and it's one of our favourite attractions. So that is so nice. So we'll be spending a lot of time putting that together and putting it on our shelf of other collectibles that we've got from Pleasure Beach Resort. So what else have we got?
Big one, underpants.
Right, the big one, underpants. Yeah, that's the large as well. So these are retailing at $12.95 as well, these underwear as well. So that's really cool. We haven't actually got any of these. So this is, they've picked really wisely because they've picked stuff that we haven't got. I don't know how they've managed to do it. Thank you very much. But we actually haven't got any of this stuff. So it's really cool. And what else have we got? So what we'll do is,
Kids' pajamas.
here, there is a set of pyjamas for all 4 of us. And it is the Funshine pyjamas. So that'll be perfect for Christmas Day. And in fact, we'll leave those ones there. In fact, this one's open, Casper. So what we'll do is we'll take these ones out because all the rest are the same, aren't they? So what we've got is there's 2 for the kids. How cute are they? They're really cute. So there's those there, and there is, and so there's this one here, and there's those pants that are there as well. So how cute is that? So we've all got a pair of exactly the same. So we're just going to look like the cutest family on Christmas Day when we've all got our Pleasure Beach pyjamas on. And that is just so amazing. And again, so they're perfect for the kids. So that is box 1 that is completed there. And do you want to see what's in the second box? Let's have a look what's in the second box. Casper's going to bring the stuff around. So we have got a dry robe coat. Look at this. I need a retailing at £100. So you can see it's got the Pleasure. Actually, look like I work there actually, because it's got the same colour and it's got the Pleasure Beach logo on there. And on the back of it, there is a huge logo too. So look at that. It looks really, really good, doesn't it? It's massive, and it's going to be so snuggly. And I'm going to be wearing that tomorrow. So, because of course, time for recording, tomorrow is the final day of the 2024 season. So, getting on this, getting all snuggly and cosy, getting on Valhalla, and it's going to be amazing, isn't it, Casper? And no, we didn't just get one of these. We didn't just get one. We got, Casper, bring the other one. We got two. So there's two of these, which is absolutely amazing. We are so over the moon to have got all these things. So thank you so much. So now Robin's just come in as well. So there's Robin in her dry robe. What do you think of it?
It's lovely. It's lovely and warm.
Oh, isn't it toasty? I had to take. I was getting a sweat on in here. It really was warm.
It's not really for wearing indoors, is it?
No, definitely not. We'll have to try them out on Valhalla. Casper, we're definitely going to do Valhalla. You can get wet. It's absolutely fine. Don't worry about you. We'll be dry though. Oh, honestly, we're so made up, aren't we?
Yeah.
It's so nice to be able to be sent these things, and it really does mean a lot to us. So thank you so much, Pleasure Beach Shopping and Pleasure Beach Resort, because honestly, it's our favourite park, isn't it? And we've been going there so many times over the years, and it really does mean a lot to us to be able to be included in this event. So thank you very much for that. Have you got anything you want to say about it?
Thank you.
Robin says I want to say thank you as well. And of course, Casper, because he got his pyjamas and a bear as well. So he's busy over there. Don't worry about him. But yeah, if you have enjoyed this, thank you very much for watching. It really does mean a lot to us. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more content. Until then, we're off to Pleasure Beach tomorrow for the final day of 2024. And of course, we're going to be staying. It is. So we'll be able to take all these things with us as well. And we'll be staying at the Boulevard Hotel, so we'll have content from there as well. So thank you very much for the positivity in, and
Ride it out.
bye guys.